lahat ay Mark Anthony at Cheryl Ann. Congratulations sa araw na ito ng inyong pag-iisang dibdib dito sa simbahan, sa dambana ng ating Panginoon. At natitiyak ko na matagal nyo nang pinag-isipan yung okasyong ito, pinaghandaan, kaya't marapat lamang na tayo ay magpasalamat sa ating Panginoong Diyos dahil dinala niya tayo sa araw na ito.
I was a man who only carried ambition in my pocket, always chasing dreams and living life too fast. I thought love would be hard to find for someone like me. But when I met you, life slowed down. With you, I found not just love, but a reason to enjoy every moment.
Thank you for standing by me in my best and in my worst. Kaya sa araw na ito, ipinapangako ko na sa bawat taon na darating, mamahalin pa rin kita at mas higit pa kaysa kahapon.
Nag-start kami na mabilis, mapusok. Then, finally, nag-mature kami. Dun sa maturity na yun, magkasama pa rin kami, which is, I'm very thankful.
Lahat ng pinaghirapan namin ni Mark, finally, ito na. Ilang taon na kami nagsasamang dalawa. Pakiramdam ko new chapter ito ng buhay namin. Siyempre, lalo na yung bubuuin naming buhay kasama yung mga magiging mga anak namin. Alam ko, kay Mark, tiwala ako.
Ay nako, sa dami namin pinagdaan ng pagsubok, hirap, ginhawa. Dito rin napunta. Mabibigay ko na rin yung matagal ko ng utang nakasal sa kanya.
After 7 years, finally! Ito na. Diyos ko, sabi ka, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen.
I never knew just what a smile was worth. Your eyes say everything without a single word. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me.
I'm thankful na ganito yung naging endgame natin dalawa. Kasi may mga bagay na hindi na naman natin kontrol pero pinili natin ayusin.
Alam ko, handa na kaming dalawa sa buhay na tatahakin namin. Kasi 7 years ago, kung nagpakasal kami by then, siguro wala kami ngayon dito. Sa murang edad namin noon. Ngayon na nandito kami. Alam ko, pinipili namin ang isa't isa.
'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. I never.
It is important that in any married life, naroon lagi si Kristo sa inyong buhay. Dahil more than anything else, He is the glue that makes you stick together. Yung kaniyang pag-ibig sa inyong dalawa, sa ating lahat, ang siyang magpapaibayo ng pag-ibig ninyo sa isa't isa.
Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can't be. Never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me.
Ngayong araw, ang pinag-pray naman namin, maging smooth lahat na magkaroon man ng aberya or what, siyempre, wala namang magangyayari, matutuloy naman
Kaninang umaga, nung nakita ko yung araw, nagpasalamat na ako. Makarating ako sa simbahan nang hindi basa yung lupa. Okay na ako doon, makapaglakad kasi pangarap kong simbahan yun.
Kahit naman umulan marami na kami bagyong sinubok, hindi naman kami na so ano pa kaya yung simpleng ulan lang. I'm always here for you, for Prim, for our family. I love you.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't
Salamat sa iyong pagtsatsaga, sa aking pagkukulang at sa iyong walang sawang pag-intindi sa aking kahinaan. Looking back at our journey, there's so many things that tested our patience, challenges that tried to break us, and moments when it felt like giving up was easier than holding on. But through all of it, thank you for choosing me, not just today, but every single day.
Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam ko yung pinagdaanan ng pamilya natin. Thankful ako kasi sa hirap at ginhawa, nakasubaybay kayo palagi. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
That is why in your good times and in bad times, make sure that Christ is there. In health and in sickness, make sure that Christ is with you. Dahil pag nariyan lagi ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo sa inyong buhay, anumang pagsubok na harapin ninyo sa inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa, malalampasan niyo.
Remember what I used to do.
Ngayong araw, patuloy kong papatunayan ang tapat at magpasensyang pagmamahal. Alam kong sa kabila ng matagal na panahon na nating pagkasama, marami pa tayong pagsubok at tagumpay na haharapin. Pangakong ako'y palaging mananatili para sa ating dalawa, kay Prim, at sa mga dadagdag pa sa ating binubuong pamilya. Mahal na mahal kita.
Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you through the years.
Alam ko hindi naging madali sa sitwasyon namin dati, pero nandito kami ngayon dahil sa inyo. Thank you.
I'll stay with you through the years, through the years when everything went wrong. Together we were strong. I know that I belonged right here with you
at isinusuko ko ang buong ako. Kaya't ngayon, bukas at sa lahat ng darating na taon, sa bawat tibok ng aking puso, ang pangako ko'y ito, na ako ay laging iyo.
Through